car wash.
Oh.
This is a rare D&S Super 5000 that passed by.
That's crazy.
I tried to buy while I was filming it. There we go.
Okay.
We're almost there to the soapy sounds. Finding Quick Lube and Soapy Sounds car wash. We had to find it. Keep an eye out for it. I found a rare D&S Super 5000 a long time ago. I went to the Jefferson car wash with a D&S Super 5000. It's so rare. But that was Soapy Sound. It's coming up.
Yeah, it's coming.
But I went to Jefferson car wash since I was a kid. Now I have to pause right here. I'm gonna get there. Oh, I got an announcement. I went to the Jefferson car wash. I was a kid. I was a pre-teenager. It was a D&S Super 5000 at Jefferson car wash, but they ripped out and replaced the wash with racer. Won't have to pause it when we get there. Now we're going to the Soapy Sands to the right. They have a ryko, opens 24 hours on soft touch wash. Yeah, it's a softgloss Maxx we visit. We had a double wash, $13.
Really?
Yeah, there's no half price on Fridays too.
No.
That's crazy. Yep, there's a softgloss Maxx 5. I think it's a custom dumbbell. Like the NCS ryko. Waiting for activating the wash. Please wait. If not, we'll do a different card. Or we have to insert bills if not. You have to insert the bills first. You have to insert the bills.
Okay. Well, I only have a 20.
Yep. Yeah, you have to insert the bills. Because the pay station isn't working. Yay. Try inserting the bills.
That is my $20.
It might be working. You have to insert the bills.
Okay.
We're sorry.
You're out of service. Oh no, the pay station failed.
It ate
Oh.
my 20.
8 to 20. Yep. Already got it. That was a terrible luck.
Oh, Lord, there's no attendant today.
It's working right now. That's cool.
Well, we get a $20 car wash. Alright.
It's just didn't change. That money didn't change. Nope. It's okay.
I'm glad you
Did it change your money?
didn't give me my $7.
$7 to change. Yeah, only insert the bills. Must be something. There, it's open. The card reader's broken, probably.
Apparently so.
There you go, it's working. It ate the money. There you go, it's working. CD we wash. I got the double wash. That's good. I think the concrete is broken. Now spot 3 wins. I heard the dryers. Look, go. I heard the dryer going. I heard the dryer start up. Used to have an armor dryer while back. Now it's added the off-bow dryers.
Yeah.
The outdoor. Car wash almost done. Got a great job. They ate the money. But good black ops done. Yay, it's done. All cleaned. They have a ryko air now dryers. Well, he ate the money, but did a great job washing the car.
Yep.
For the double wash. So thanks for watching.
Not open to get change.
Yeah, ate the money. The card reader's probably broken. They need to fix that soon.
Probably don't have their
They'll fix it.
pay computer turned on.
They need to fix that soon.
Yeah, they do.
Only got the bills. Good thing.
All right.
Thanks for watching.